I'm Katya, and I would love to give you a quick tour and show you around our app. We built Content Radar to help you turn your ideas and existing content into LinkedIn and X posts 30% faster. The best thing is that these posts, they match your tone and brand. How we do it, when you go through the onboarding, we ask you to create a profile, and then you can decide which profile you're creating from. For the company, you will be able to define your brand colors, upload fonts and logos, give us your sources so we could infer your target audience and tone of voice. And the same applies for your personal profiles. You can also invite multiple colleagues to the workspace. And when you go through the onboarding process, we will ask you to name your workspace and connect relevant LinkedIn and X accounts. Connect your Slack so you can notify your teammates about the posts being scheduled and going live so they can interact with those and boost the performance. You can pull your drafts from Notion and add leads that interact with your content on socials to your CRM. Of course, you also have handy analytics at a glance for both personal profiles and company profiles connected to the workspace. You can switch between LinkedIn and X, as you can see here. And everyone invited to the workspace would also have access to the collaborative content calendar with respective content pillars, labels, the author of the post, so you can see what's happening, what's going live, and when what is being scheduled, and all that without having to switch between Notion, Google Docs, and multiple apps. Let's go to the dashboard and see what we can do in terms of content creation. So you can start creating from scratch, generating ideas or repurposing content. Let's start with generating ideas, maybe. We will use the example that we have here in the app. So basically, I can just select a few keywords or topics that are related to my business, and then ContentRadar.ai is using Perplexity, our own secret sauce, to come up with content suggestions for the post. And here we can decide that we maybe follow the listicle template and have a post as a draft. We can preview it, mobile, desktop. We can schedule different actions and reactions from company profiles and personal profiles connected to this workspace. Let's see, create a comment. We can add content labels and we can ask for an approval. And as well, we could also cross-post that to X. So we would kill two birds with one stone, generating content for multiple platforms and then at once, and we can schedule it. Then I would love to show you a repurposing feature as well. We can take anything, the talk you gave at a conference, YouTube link, maybe a podcast that you have, or a video interview that was recorded, content of the call, anything. And this type of input can be transformed into LinkedIn and X posts, ready to go live, super quick. And the best is that they match tone and brand, and they're already formatted for the optimal performance. Let's see, it generates the post. Here you go. It's a very good summary. We also have a carousel for LinkedIn being generated in our tone and brand. And an X post that is already formatted to go live. So yeah, as you can see, I spent just a few minutes in repurposing existing content into LinkedIn posts, and I can improve it. I can add an AI generated image. And basically what Content Radar allows me to do is to create content out of existing content or from scratch using a couple of keywords in seconds. and pre-schedule it and set it to go live for weeks in advance. Here we have the AI-generated image. Also, no need to go back and forth between different apps. Everything happens here. And I can schedule, pre-schedule, pick a profile, maybe it can be my profile, and schedule it to go live. So basically, my social media strategy for LinkedIn and X was done in minutes. And another feature we're experimenting with is generating blog outlines. But more on that to follow in the next product update. Thanks for watching.